The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G has finally arrived, and it's turning heads with its premium design, powerhouse specs, and a camera that promises professional-level photography. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's break it all down, from design to battery life, and see if this phone is the right fit for you. Premium design build quality. Right from the first glance, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G feels like a flagship device. The glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and aluminum frame give it a solid, premium feel. It's available in lavender purple, frost blue, and midnight black, offering a stylish look. And with IP68 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about accidental spills or dust exposure. At 205G or 210G, the phone has some weight, but that adds to its sturdy build quality. Stunning AMOLED display. A smartphone is only as good as its display, and Xiaomi has delivered a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel that supports 68 billion colors, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and an impressive 3000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling through social media, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth visuals. The 1220 by 2712 resolution gives sharp details, making every image pop with vibrant colors. Performance hardware, fast and future-ready. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. This 4nm processor is built for efficiency, ensuring smooth performance across multitasking, gaming, and everyday use. Paired with the Adreno 710 GPU, this phone handles graphic-intensive games and apps with ease. Storage options go up to 512GB with 12GB RAM, ensuring you have enough space and speed for all your needs. The only downside? No microSD card slot for expandable storage, but with 512GB, that might not be a deal breaker. One of the biggest highlights of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is its insane 200MP main camera. Xiaomi is bringing DSLR-like quality to smartphones with OIS, multi-directional PDAF, and an f/1.7 aperture for better low-light shots. The 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP macro sensor complete the triple camera setup, allowing for a variety of photography styles. Whether you're capturing landscapes, close-ups, or portraits, this camera setup won't disappoint. And yes, it supports 4K video recording at 2430 FPS with Euro EIS stabilization for smooth footage. On the front, there's a 20MP selfie camera that delivers crisp and clear photos, with features like HDR, panorama, and 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second. You're getting one of the best front cameras in this price range. Battery charging. A powerful phone needs a battery to match, and Xiaomi delivers with a massive 5110 mAh battery. This means all-day usage without constantly looking for a charger. But the real game changer? 120W wired fast charging. In just 19 minutes, your phone can go from 0 to 100%, perfect for those who are always on the go. Software features. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G runs on Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS, offering a clean and fast user experience. Xiaomi has promised 3 major Android upgrades, so you won't have to worry about missing out on future updates. In terms of connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 6/6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, an infrared port, and an under-display fingerprint scanner. The only downside? No 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be a letdown for wired headphone users, with a starting price of £373.89/€362.97/£399. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is packed with flagship-level features at a mid-range price. It's got a stunning display, powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, insane 200MP camera, and super-fast 120W charging. But is it the perfect phone for you? If you're looking for a high-performance device with an incredible camera and premium build at an affordable price, this is one of the best options in 2025. However, if you need expandable storage or a headphone jack, you might want to consider alternatives. Would you buy the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, or is there another phone on your wish list? Let us know in the comments.